To start off in the course, we're going to be talking about why you need an entity for your business. If you're starting a business or if you're going down the path of entrepreneurship, you really need to have an entity. It is so important. And one of the main reasons why it is so important is this concept of limited liability. Now, what limited liability means is that an owner can theoretically only lose what the owner has invested in the business. And so from that perspective, having an entity is essentially a means of protecting an owner's personal assets and personal wealth from creditors of the business. And that is why having an entity is so important. Now, we're going to get into this concept of limited liability a little bit more in the next video. And I'm going to show you kind of a visual example of limited liability and how it plays out in the real world. But there are some other benefits that are associated with forming an entity as well. For example, there are tax benefits that are associated with forming an entity for your business. If you are operating as a sole proprietor, meaning operating your business without the shield of an entity, then you could be missing out on some pretty significant tax benefits that can save you a large amount of money. So forming an entity can benefit you financially as well in the long run by helping you realize on some tax savings. And then finally, another benefit is just the professionalism that comes along with having an entity for your business. So there's certainly some intangible benefits that are associated with forming an entity as well. And those are just some of the reasons why you should consider forming an entity for your business. Now, in the next video, we're going to be getting into an example of the limited liability concept and why that is such a benefit for you in starting a business.